Hello everyone. Friends, in this video we are going to cover top 30 very important questions for all the competitive exams from today's newspaper. आज के न्यूज़पेपर से जो 30 important क्वेश्चन बन सकते हैं उसको हम लेंगे, उसको डिस्कस करेंगे। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं आज का वीडियो। कह रहा विच रेगुलेटरी बॉडी नोटिफाइड द न्यू पेट्रोल स्टैंडर्ड फॉर एथनॉल ब्लेंड्स अप टू E30। आंसर है Bureau of Indian Standard BIS. According to the Union Home Minister, what status must CAA applicants declare and surrender? Answer is their foreign passport status. Next question is, which central agency is currently questioning NTA staff regarding NEET UG paper leak? Answer is Central Bureau of Investigation CBI. The Supreme Court issued a major directive allowing what extreme measure if necessary to curb stray dog attacks. Answer is euthanasia. Which organization partnered with MITI for the Bhasini for Seva Sanchalan initiative? Answer is Department of Telecommunications DOT. India signed Memorandum of Understanding MOU on Artificial Intelligence and Quantum Technology with which country? Country is Vietnam. The president of which country is starting an official bilateral tour of Mumbai and Delhi? Answer is Cyprus. President Christodoulides. US Secretary of State Marco Rubio is scheduled for an official diplomatic visit to India during which dates? Date is 23rd May to 26 May 2026. Which country is collaborating internationally with ISRO for India's Venus orbit mission Shukrayaan? Country is Sweden. The US government extended the Russian oil sanctions waiver for India by how many days? Answer is 30 days. India commenced the Kimberley Process Intersessional Meeting as the global chair in which city? Mumbai. What is the primary objective of International Kimberley Process? Answer is to eliminate the trade in conflict diamonds. Which indigenous missile completed its final development trials by the DRDO? Answer is Unmanned Aerial Vehicle Launched Precision Guided Missile ULPGM-V3. India recently received its fourth unit of which advanced air defense missile system S-400 Trump? Which defense manufacturing hub is Bharat Forge planning to set up? Answer is Marine Gas Turbine Complex. The Indian Navy selected which imaging company for its high-power microwave HPM system? Trambo Imaging. Which bank launched India's first sustainability-linked green dealer financing scheme for automotive sector? Answer is DBS Bank India in partnership with Mahindra and Mahindra. What target value has India set for its total exports for the financial year 2026? $1 trillion. State Bank of India SBI recently released an official recruitment advertisement for how many apprentice posts? 7150 posts. Which major Indian conglomerate announced plans to enter the healthcare sector by building 1,000-bed hospitals. Adani Group. Who won the prestigious 2026 Whitley Award Green Oscar for Wildlife Conservation? Praveen Sheikh. Praveen Sheikh's award-winning initiative, Guardians of the Skimmer, protects which endangered bird species? Answer is the Indian skimmer. Along which river basin does the Indian Skimmer Conservation Project operate? Answer is Chambal River. Who will lead the Croatian national football team in the upcoming FIFA World Cup 2026? Luka Modric. Who was unanimously elected as the head of the South Asian Weightlifting Federation SAWF? Answer is Sahdev Yadav. Who has Hockey India appointed as the coach of the Indian junior men's hockey team? Frédéric Soares from France. Which country is currently facing a critical global health security threat due to an Ebola outbreak with over 131 deaths? Country is डेमोक्रेटिक रिपब्लिक ऑफ कांगो, DR कांगो भी कह सकते हैं. A major 5.9 magnitude earthquake struck which island region of Japan? Kagoshima. The Sakurajima volcano erupted, sending an ash plumes 3,000 meters into the sky in which country? Japan. Which tech billionaire lost a major legal battle against OpenAI after a jury ruled he waited too long to sue? Answer is Elon Musk. फ्रेंड्स, आज के वीडियो में बस इतना ही. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. जय हिंद.